Peace be unto all my brothers and sisters out there. This is St. John the Divine, showing you a little bit of the aftermath and a little bit of break from my Father, the King of Kings, the Alpha, the Omega, the beginning, the end, the one and only true living God. When I told these people up in Calgary, Alberta, of my visions and the things that are yet to come, they mocked me, they laughed at me. Well, I don't think they'd be laughing right about now. Maybe they take brother a little bit more seriously, because on a serious note, we ain't here to play that. With New Jack, all the way, baby. We are down with the Lord of Lords and the King of Kings crew. This is Revelation 8. Now we're going to go over on the other side here, take a closer look. These are emergency vehicles and other citizens that are around. Wow. This is amazing. This is Calgary, Alberta, ladies and gentlemen. Live feed, live cam, all the way. This is St. John Divine, one and only John the Baptist in the flesh. These are some more emergency vehicles. This is a sea train. This is where a sea train would run, right here. See this here? These are train lines. And the train goes underground. So that tunnel is completely flooded. See? That's Stampede Band in the background there. Amazing. How you guys doing? You've been eating alive, aren't you? This is the one time in life you can actually spot a bird. Wow. History in the making. This is amazing.